Installing the Ultimate Post Kit add-on is easy. You can begin by navigating to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. From there, you can click the Add New button. And then after clicking the Upload Plugin button, an upload menu appears just below the header. From there, you may select Choose File to locate the Ultimate Post Kit zip file on your computer. Once selected, you'll have the option to click Install Now to start the installation. When the installation completes, you'll see an option to activate the plugin immediately. After activation, a few welcome notifications may appear, which you're free to skip if preferred. In the dashboard side menu, you'll notice a new Ultimate Post Kit tab. Inside this tab, the License section lets you enter your purchase email and license code to activate the license. After entering these, selecting Activate License should refresh the page and confirm successful activation. You will be able to see your activated license status from the same screen. To double-check, you might look in the plugins list to see Ultimate Post Kit listed as active. If any issues come up during installation, feel free to refer back to this video for guidance. Enjoy exploring the new options with Ultimate Post Kit.